Hi, in this tutorial I want to give you some basic tricks of how you can significantly improve your graphics in Inkscape, and this is not how to do something exactly a tutorial, but just to give you some directions that you can use to make your graphics look more professional. Now you see here we have two objects, two backgrounds with text, and the bottom one is just with flat colors, green and white, and there is only so much you can do with flat colors, and the top one has different text objects on top of each other with different colors and effects like blur, gradients, and the background also has another object with a gradient. And you see on the bottom one, different flat colors don't give you any good results. Now let's delete this and turn this into the top one. I'll start by selecting the text and Control D to duplicate it. Then I'll send it one step down, select the fill and stroke tool, and here I'm going to change the color to black and enter a blur of 7.3. Then again I'll select the top layer, top object, Control D to duplicate it, send it one step down and turn the color into gray, and you can see that. Now this one here, I will drop a shadow. I misclicked. Let's close this, filters, shadows and glows, drop shadow, and I'll use a blur radius of 5 and all the other settings. Click apply and then close this. Then shift click on this one, bring the align and distribute tool, first select it, click on these two options to align these. Now here I'm going to apply a linear gradient, grab the edit and create gradients tool and adjust this gradient. You can hold down the control key to get a straight line. Just a little bit more. Now next I'll select the background, Control D to duplicate it, and I'm going to change the color to something similar but a little bit brighter like this, and then send it enough steps down just above the other green background, and then I'll select the radial gradient, and now holding down the shift and control key I'll scale this down and increase the blur, and you see this starts to look a lot better than just using one flat color. Now we have different colors but also very similar colors, and this gives us kind of a lot better looking background. So you see how with different gradients, radial or linear gradients, objects on top of each other, close colors, we can create a much better graphic than just using flat colors. And of course this is a very simple example, but you see that these tricks can significantly improve your graphics, so use them. And I hope this tutorial was useful. If it was, like the video, subscribe. That's it for now. Bye.